In this video, I'll show you how you can fix 0xc000012d application error. Now the first step is you want to find the one that you're having the trouble with. So let's just say in my case it's gonna be Fortnite. You then want to right click on it. Or actually Fortnite is a bad example because this is a shortcut, but let's say it's Valorant. You want to right click and go to properties, head over to compatibility, and then you want to try and run this in compatibility mode and try and choose Windows 7, apply OK. If that doesn't work, try Windows 8, apply an OK and see if that works. Now, if it still doesn't work, the other thing you can try is come here and search for advanced system settings. In here, go to settings, go to advanced, click change, uncheck this one, custom size. Initial size will be your recommended, and then your maximum size will be the double. So just double, and you'll be able to see 8. Then simply press set, press OK, apply OK, restart PC, and see if that works. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.